How to update Twitter in both Android and iOS, and that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So it works on both Android and iOS, so the both users can do this. So please watch until the end. Please watch the tutorial until the end. So the first way by which you can do this is you can firstly open your Play Store or App Store app according to your device, and then in the search button firstly search your Twitter app. So like this, search the Twitter app, and here you can see the open button. In the place of open button you can see the update button if the update is available. So what you can do to update is you can simply click on the update button to update this Twitter app, and now your Twitter app is updated. The second way is you can simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then here you can see the option manage apps and device. Click on this, and the second option you can see here, updates available. Click on this, and here you have to find the Twitter app. So you can scroll down. If you don't see here, so you can go to the bottom and click on the Twitter app if you see here, and you can see the update button. Click on the update to download this app, Twitter app, and after this download installation process is completed, then when you open your Twitter app, then it will be updated. So that's basically that how you can do this. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate it.